Good day, my people. You all are welcome. Look at this picture on your screen. That picture you are seeing there is a tweet made by a Yoruba girl. She threatened that they will kill the Igbos and Hausa people if Tinubu loses 2027 presidential election. See wetin this girl talk. The country is not boiling because not be Igbo lady talk am. Just imagine, see threat where person dey threaten a full Igbo nation. Say that she will kill the Igbos if Tinubu lose election. Immediately, Tinubu started campaigning for presidency. That was when we saw Yoruba people coming out online to say that they will kill Igbo people. During the last presidential election, we know how many Igbos that were injured, beaten in Lagos State by Tinubu thugs. No one said anything about it. These evil jet pastors from Yoruba land, those evil Yoruba jet pastors, none of them said anything concerning what the Igbos were passing through in Lagos during that presidential election. So many Igbos, they don't even know their problem. Some Igbos follow for the reason why we Igbos, they pass through insults for this country. Boycott jet pastors' churches. Igbos should boycott Yoruba churches. Boycott all those evil churches. But because of mental slavery, programming, emotion, you don't go this person church for long. Instead of you to speak against the evil of that your daddy G.O. No. Your daddy G.O. is quiet while your own people are suffering in the country. That will not be your own concern. Your own concern na church where they go. How many of these Yoruba jet pastors have you seen in their church speaking against the threats against the Igbos by Yoruba people? How many Yoruba pastors have you seen speaking against the demolition of Igbo houses and businesses in Lagos by Yoruba people? Yet so many Igbos see they go to these people church. And as you talk now, nothing will happen in the sense that during the last presidential election, they beat Igbo people, they enjoy Igbo people in Lagos. This coming presidential election, they go see beat Igbo people for Lagos. They go still enjoy Igbo people. If they still kill Igbo person, nothing will still happen. When Ayanambra said that she will start giving Yoruba and Benin people pepper soup to lick, everywhere start to be hot for the country. Igbo woman, they threaten Yoruba people, if they threaten Igbo people, oh, they call the right petition, they give Canada government. Let's bring this woman back. We want to arrest her. Idiots everywhere, idiots. Now, Yoruba get don't threaten Igbos. Una go see this tweet, una no go arrest her. They will see this tweet, they will not arrest her. Because she say Yoruba girl for this country. If to send an Igbo person talk am, that Igbo person go dey jail by now. If an Igbo person issue threat in this country, he's in jail. But Yoruba person go come out, threaten the Igbo race, insult the Igbo race, talk say you go kill Igbo people. Do you know what it means to threaten the Igbo race, a full race, nation? Talk say you go kill Igbo people. Yet now that same Lagos Igbos they go invest. Make una they invest. And Igbo where they keep for them, I sabi. Nobody send me go that place. Bring your investments back home and invest. And avoid these animals in human form. This thing done too much. Just look at the threats that Igbos are facing in this country. If Igbos start to talk say they won't leave this country, you say people will not allow the Igbos to leave the country. But you are wishing Igbos death. If Oba of Lagos go fit come out talk say Igbos go drown inside lagoon, who come be the girl for her not to come out talk say they go kill Igbo people if Tinubu lose 2027 election? So no be today we start to see all this attack from Yoruba people. You don't like Igbo people, allow them to leave the country. Problem. Why e be say lawmakers not see this threat to arrest this girl? Why they not see them to arrest her? They no go arrest her because she is not an Igbo person. Yoruba people, una too evil, una not good. You people are very bad to the environment. Una not good for environment, una not good for society. All Yoruba people know is how to kill the Igbos, how to fight Igbo agenda, how to turn the whole world against the Igbos, how to turn South Africans against the Igbos, how to turn Ghanaians against the Igbos, how to bring Igbos down. Igbos say they won't leave country. Now Yoruba people, they fight against them. Igbos don't say they want regional government and restructuring. Yoruba people, they fight against them. All these things is just Jealousy. Now jealousy they do Yoruba people. Jealousy. Natural resources una not get. The natural resources even though na land self, you know they contribute anything give Southeast. But you people are surviving from the crude oil in the Southeast. So many of Yoruba politicians have crude oil here in the Southeast. Now why many of them they fight against Igbos, make Igbos not leave the country? If Igbos say they won't leave, they not will agree. You don't want Igbos to leave Lagos. Oh yeah, tell the country to build a seaport for Igbos in the Southeast for them to leave your Lagos for you. Una not still agree. You hate the Igbos, but deep down you want the Igbos to be adding to your revenue. This is Yoruba for you. They're too corny. This is why Hausa and Fulani call them Yoruba, which means evil, corny, bad. Every evil name altogether, that name cover all of them. Very bad name, and that name they follow them. People where you hate, you don't want to make them leave the country. You keep hating them. Yoruba people were telling South Africans to start killing the Igbos in South Africa. Yoruba people were telling Ghanaians to start killing the Igbos in Ghana. Why are you people so evil? You said you go to church, yet you Yoruba people, so many of them will be Christians. You are telling South Africans to kill Igbo people that are also Christians like you. Ghanaians are Christians. You Yoruba people that are Christians, you are telling Ghanaians to start killing Igbos that are also Christians like you. So many Igbos are going to the church of those evil Yoruba jet pastors that keep mute whenever Igbos have been attacked. You are telling the world to kill the Igbos. The same Igbos where they go in our church. What about those evil churches done for we Igbo land? Nothing. Every community where there is life on our church, they there. Road are not they build for there. Water are not they give that community. Job are not they create. Factory are not they build. Nothing that they do. Yet, Igbos they go all those church. All those are Igbos when don't know themselves. Person when they go in church, if they say as the people they treat una, you know if you talk anything, you know if you speak against them. But as person talk emotional, religious slavery, una know if you use and sense things, say for the sake of Igbo land, talk this thing. No. Our movement is for the sake of Igbo land, Makani Igbo. Igbo land is more important to we Igbos than anything in this life. During the administration of Goodluck Jonathan, Yoruba jet pastors, so many of them were protesting against Goodluck Jonathan, telling him to leave there. Adeboye carry banner, they protest. Say the country they bloody, say Goodluck Jonathan, na bad luck to the country. Now, in brother Tinubu don't enter. He is nowhere to be found. He said that the problem of Nigeria is spiritual, but the problem of Nigeria is not spiritual during the time of Goodluck Jonathan. And when we talk about this, so many Igbos that are going to his church go come and they tell you know they talk about that and stop talking about the man of God like that or Zoayemo. We they talk say all these Yoruba Benin people they fight Igbo unification or Zoai. All these set of Igbos that are defending all these evil men of God. Now the major of Zoai where the Igbo land. Is your father the one man at home? Hypocrite everywhere. Fulani men are killing people all over the country. You will never see all these evil jet pastors talk about it. They all they preach is pay your tithes, pay your tithes, pay your tithes. Who are the major people suffering in this country? Igbo people. Yoruba governors are not saying anything about it. Their kings are not saying anything about it. Their pastors are not saying anything about it. Igbos have been threatened in Lagos in daily basis. All the time they attack Igbo people, they destroy our mansion, they destroy our property there. As they talk, I'm gonna go saying just threat. It's not just threats. They mean it. Igbo unite. Only unity will save us in this country. That's why you will see idiots, people not rich us go come online, they insult themselves. Igbo, take notes. 2027 is coming. Take note. All these threats are not empty threats. They mean it, and they will surely do it, just like they normally do. You share worry.